Do you know who this guy is? Well, if you don't, keep watching. Hi, I'm Formula Focus, the founder of the STEM Competition Axiom Challenge. This is day 13 of Geometry Galore, where I make boring geometry formulas fun. Today we have a problem that says a triangle has sides of length 2, 5, and 6. A sevian drawn to the longest side divides that side into segments in a 2-to-1 ratio. Compute all possible lengths of this sevian. So if the longest side, 6, is divided into 2-to-1 ratio, that means that it would be divided into 4 and 2. Then drawing a diagram, we notice that we have two possibilities. The 4 is on the right or the 4 is on the left. However, there is simply no way we can find the length of this sevian, right? We don't know any angles or anything about this. Well, let me introduce you to Stewart's theorem. If you would like to know, this theorem is named after a mathematician named Matthew Stewart who published the theorem in 1746. So anyways, this theorem says that if we have a triangle with the sevian going through it as shown, with lengths as shown, man plus dad equals to bmb plus cnc. Now a fun way to remember this is a man plus his dad put a bomb in a sink. Don't ask me, no. Now using this theorem on the first figure, we get 4 times 6 times 2 plus d times 6 times d equals to 2 times 4 times 2 plus 5 times 2 times 5, which would give us that d equals the square root 3. Then for the second figure, we get that 2 times 6 times 4 plus d times 6 times d equals to 2 times 2 times 2 plus 5 times 4 times 5, meaning that d equals the square root of 10, giving us our two answers.